It's just starting it up. I'll skip it. Why isn't my volume working? You see this small little button right here at the bottom of the PlayStation sign? If you press that down and it turns yellow, that means you muted your game, your gameplay, your screen, everything's mute. So if like you're trying to answer a phone call, you're trying to talk to someone, and it's too loud, the TV's too loud, you can press this little button and mute it. That's really nice. I just found that out right now. I was wondering why my volume wasn't working. It's because I pressed that button.